Welcome to the Pokedex show again, and it's the best buddy Poke Ninja. Let's get it started. I'm gonna look at two Pokemon who recently just got a Mega Evolution, which is Beedrill, which we're gonna look at as first evolved form, Weedle, which you can catch on Route 2 in the tall grass, or catch in the tall grass in Santaloon Forest. But why you can only catch in Santaloon Forest is the hairy bug Pokemon. Also, as everyone's saying, that it is the weakness of Vegeta and Goku. Perfect. So, this amazing Pokemon evolves into Kakuna at level 7, which is very fast, and Kakuna is the Cocoon Pokemon. And this amazing bug, at level 10, it transforms into the amazing world of Beedrill, who gets a Mega Evolution in Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. I heard about that, don't you yell at me. And you can also catch Weedle at level, I cannot speak today. And while you gotta level it up at level 7, and in X you can also catch it in Santaloon Forest. Mega Beedrill. Amazing. No, don't close. Stop closing. So next Pokemon that we are gonna look at is Pidgey. Let's get it. Pidgey, the tiny bird Pokemon. Who's the pigeon Pokemon again? Pidove? What? Why is it called Pidove? It's not Pidgey. There, let me try to break this up. It's a tiny bird Pokemon, also the first flying type bird in Kanto. Well, we saw since games. Yep. You can evolve this amazing bird into Pidgeotto at level 18. Level 18. And then the way to catch it is go to Route 2, and 3 in both X and Y just to get this amazing bird. But you cannot get Pidgeotto. Almost saw the next Pokemon, silly. And also Pidgeotto is the bird Pokemon. There. Did you see that Pokemon layer? He's next. And then it evolves into Pidgeot, which is the next evolution, which evolves into 36 to be the bird Pokemon. And you had to just evolve it just to get this amazing bird Pokemon. Then Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire, and then get your Mega Bird that learns ability that I can't remember at the moment. Y'alls. Let's check out that Mega Evolution. Last time we did Kangaskhan. Last time we did Kangaskhan, I decided to do Marwile. Only way to get Marwile is catching Glittering Cave, but it doesn't evolve because it's a Deliver Seed Pokemon, girl. You can't do that. And it Mega evolves into Mega Marwile. Mega Marwile is still the same thing, but is now fairy. And his ability is huge power, and it boosts his attack, defense, and special defense. And the only way to get Marwile is go to Clamperl Town. There. Clamperl Town in around 8 and 8:50 before 8:59 after entering the Hall of Fame, and speak to the Professor Sycamore in Star City. But you had to do the city thing first. That's enough with this Mega Evolution thing. I will show you more videos today because I haven't been uploading. I got my old new phone back. Well, I had the 4, and now I got the 5, and now I got iOS 8, and iOS is freaking amazing. Yes. Also, if you check me out, I'm gonna do a YouNow today. If you add me on YouNow, it's Poke Ninja. Why? If you add me on there, you will see my amazing live stream of a video that's not Super Smash Brothers. I'm just kidding. I can't do Smash Bros. I forgot that I left my charger around there. God, Smarko. But I will be live streaming on you now today, and I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, guys. I know I was talking to Tyrone Trump.